Hey, I'm very excited for today's application review. So, what is it? It is the most important thing for branding anything. Did you guess it? Guess yes? Yeah, it's a logo. If you're a business owner or owning a Facebook page, running a YouTube channel, or doing any kind of other business, you need a logo. And not just a logo, you need a professional logo. Before showing you, I would like to introduce you myself. My name is Qasim Sarfraz and you're watching your Virtual Academy. So that being said, let me show you an online professional logo maker called DesignEvo. DesignEvo is a multi-platform application. You can create a logo online on web application like this one. You can download a mobile app. If you click on the mobile link, so you can download a mobile app, or you can use a desktop application. Right now they have for Mac OS, but for Windows is coming soon. If you want to skip all the installations, just use web application. This is a very simple, easy to use interface. DesignEvo has 4000 plus fully customizable logo templates. So if you click on make a logo, you will see the most popular one on your front page. And if you like to search with the keyword, so you can search by writing any keyword here. So you can see I have searched about academy and I got these logos which are very much related to some kind of academy or an institute which is related to some kind of education. You can start from the scratch as well. You can search logos, sorry, icons. DesignEvo has more than 1 million icons available for you. You can just write here your keyword and search them. I wrote camera. You can see that I got a lot of icons for camera. You can just drag and drop. It's easily customizable. If you carefully see, there is a support given here. You can choose where you want to place your object, and you can see carefully that there is a vertical line which is telling you where is your object right now on the page, on the canvas. So, and you can see on the horizontal line as well that where is object. So right now it's the most central. If I place the object here, it's in the middle of the page. Similarly, they have hundreds of text fonts and shapes available, so you can choose them, and they're very nice and easy to use. Just drag and drop any shape, write anything here. You can drag the text and make it bigger and then align it. You can change the color of text. Similarly, you can change the color of icon as well. You can vertically flip it or horizontally flip it if you want. You can add some effects like opacity. Right now they have not many effects, but still it's more than enough. You can easily delete the object just clicking on list delete button. You can duplicate the object if you want. You can make layers. And if you press delete button from your keyboard, you can also delete the object. You can find some shape similarly if you want. You can just drag and drop anywhere you want. Or you can use the custom template, customizable template, which is available here. So you can search your keyword and just customize the logo. Just write the name. You can delete slogan if you want. And it's so beautiful logo. It's so professional. You can change the orientation of the logo how you want. So if you want like that, you can do like that. Otherwise, if you press Ctrl Z, which is undo, you can undo it back. You can change the background. If you want a transparent one, just click on transparent. But please mind that it will change the if your text is in a different color, so it will change, of course, the whole logo. So adjust it accordingly. You can choose a gradient as well if you want. If you choose the gradients, you will get two colors to choose. I will take a solid one backward. Then when you're ready with your logo, you can preview it. You can see here it will look like on your visiting card. Here it will look like your letterhead. Here it will look like on your any accessory like booklet, and on your website, and similarly on your t-shirt, and on your office reception, how it will look like, which is a very amazing feature. You also got the language option. It supports all major languages right now. When you are all ready, so just click on download. Just going to tell you that you don't need any account or anything you need to create for free logo, but it's good if you want to save your logo for the future use, and you can customize it later on, so you can make an account. They are right now offering three packages. One is totally free, so you can just choose and download. Just you need to give credits on one of the social media. Just copy this paste and copy this code and paste it on your social media, like I'm going to do. So click on your social media and just post. And then you can download your logo. You will get a zip, and in that zip you will get your logo in PNG and JPG. If you want, if you choose a package and you would like to buy, and I recommend that you buy that, because then what you get is a maximum resolution of 5000 into 5000. You will get a transparent PNG. You will get a lifetime support. You will get a print ready, which means, as I have shown you the preview, you can use your logo anytime on any of those print media like your visiting card, letterhead, t-shirt, or so on. And of course, you can edit anytime, and you can get a re-download option. You can download your logo anytime, and you can customize it again. And if you choose a plus option, then of course you will get your PDF vector file, you get SVG file, and of course you get a right to register your trademark. So I will definitely recommend, if you are making for your company, so buy a plus package, so you get all the options and you get trademark registered, right? And of course the basic package is also very nice, you get all the things. It's up to you. And after that, when you done with your logo, you can download your logos here. As you can see, I have logos here. It's very simple to interface, it's very simple to use interface, so it's not very complex. Here you can see your profile and logo. So that was the today's review, which is about DesignEvo. I will definitely recommend this to people who are new to making logos, and they have a difficulty to just find logo makers, and they need to hire expensive people. They can do their by themselves with just so simple, and what they get is a professional logo, and it's mind blowing. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep liking.